Hello everyone, welcome to the e-learning platform initiated by Science Park, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. This is the first video for systems in human body. We are covering two chapters from 7th standard, SSC Boards chapter number 12th and CBSE Boards chapter number 10th. In today's video, we are going to see following topics. What is muscular system? Types of muscular system, different muscles in our body and the function of this muscular system. We all have done these activities some time or the other. We love to cycle, dance, we all do exercise and walk. But there is something common in all these activities, isn't it? What can it be? Correct. We use different muscles to do all these activities. To cycle, this boy is using lot of muscles. His leg muscle, hand muscles, back muscles and many more. For dancing, this girl is also using many kind of muscles. When we work out, we also use lot of muscles. Do you know that there are around 600 muscles in our body? As you can see, this boy has been working out. And it looks like he has a good routine. If you can look at his hands, you can see that they are flexed. If you want to feel your muscles, you can do this quick activity. Just fold your hand and try to touch your shoulder. You can see that your muscles are contracting and relaxing. Just like in this video, that there are two muscles, biceps and triceps. जेव्हा आपण हातांची हालचाल करतो ना, तेव्हा आपण स्नायूंचं आकुंचन आणि शिथिलीकरण करतो आणि हे आपण अनुभवू शकतो. ह्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण दोन स्नायू बघू शकतो, द्विशिकस्त स्नायू आणि त्रिशिकस्त स्नायू. असंच आपलं पूर्ण शरीर स्नायूंचं बनलेलं असतं. वी हॅव 3 such type of muscles in our body. स्केलेटल मसल्स म्हणजेच अस्थि स्नायू, कार्डियक मसल्स म्हणजेच हृदयाचे स्नायू आणि स्मूथ मसल्स म्हणजेच मृदू स्नायू. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट skeletal muscles, अस्थि स्नायू. As the name suggests, all the skeletal muscles holds the bones of our body together. They give shape to our body. When we move our hand, the muscles of the hand, biceps and triceps, they are the examples of skeletal muscle. And one very important characteristic of skeletal muscle is that they are voluntary muscles, meaning we can move these muscles at our own will when we want to. And as they are present around every bone, we are able to move our hands, legs, necks, etc. These muscles contract and relax to provide us movement. And just like that, we can walk, dance, cycle or even work out with the help of these skeletal muscles. So what is the structure of these muscles? या स्नायूंची रचना कशी असते ते बघूया. This is our muscle. It is attached to the bone with the help of tendon. The small circles you see inside are called as muscle fiber bundles. Many such bundles make our muscle. Even inside the muscle fiber bundle, you can see the small circles. They represent one muscle fiber. This is a muscle cell. ही त्या स्नायूंची पेशी आहे. It is long, cylindrical, but it contains myofibrils inside it, which makes up this cell. They have more than one nucleus inside it. That's why they are called multinucleated. If we look at the slide of skeletal muscle under microscope, we will see something like this. You can see the bundles nicely in this photo. आता जरा हृदयाच्या स्नायूंबद्दल बोलूया. Let's talk about cardiac muscles. Again, from the name, we can guess the location of the muscles. They are in our heart. As we all know, we cannot control the movement or beating of the heart. It keeps going on its own because these muscles are involuntary. They will keep working constantly in the rhythm. Let's talk about the structure of the heart. Cardiac muscle fibers are branched and they only contain one nucleus. The cardiac muscle fibers are shorter than skeletal muscle fibers in length. Under a microscope slide, it looks like this. The last but not the least type of muscle, the third type of muscle, that is smooth muscle, Mrudu Snayu. They are present in the wall of digestive system, urinary bladder, uterus, and the walls of passageways like arteries and veins. If you look at its shape, it is tapered at the end. They are called as spindle needle shape. They also have one nucleus. Under microscope, they look like this, as you can see on the left image. This is the model of muscular system of human body. You can see that there are muscles everywhere in our leg, abdomen, hands, neck, and even face. So our entire body is covered with different types of muscles, and they all are differentiated into three types, as we have seen: striated, cardiac, and smooth muscles. In order to have good muscles, we need to have a well-rounded diet plan. We have to include all the nutrients in our diet. We also have to have a good posture. Otherwise, our posture can damage our muscles. We need to take care of this very important system in our body. We also have to work out, exercise, eat well, and have good posture. So please remember this. In the next video, we will take an overview of digestive system, the organs of the digestive system and the function of it. Thank you.